Good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the first conference of NAMI 2025 in collaboration with FAVME. I am Saraswati Suresh, along with Dr. Sachin Ganokar and Akila Maheshwari. We are the hosts for today. NAMI, Nodal Association for Mentally Illness India, is founded by Mrs. Akila Maheshwari, and FAVME, which is Family's Voice on Mental Illness, is founded by Dr. Sachin Ganokar and myself, and we are in collaboration for this conference. As you're aware, the 10th of October is observed worldwide as a World Mental Health Day. This day reminds us that there is no health without mental health. In the spirit of this day, and to continue our collective efforts in spreading awareness, breaking stigma, and strengthening support systems, we are hosting this online conference. And our theme is Mental Health in Globalized World, Culture, and Diversity. It reflects the growing reality that we live in an interconnected world where cultural differences, rapid social changes, migration, technology, and global influences all shape the way mental health is understood, experienced, and addressed. And during this day, the sessions we aim to explore these diverse perspectives, highlight the challenges faced by individuals and families across different cultural contexts, and learn from the experiences of experts and advocates. Our chief guest for today is the Joint Director of Public Health Department of Government of Maharashtra, Dr. Sunita Golet. She also has the additional charge of mental health with her. I would request Dr. Sachin Ganokar to please introduce Dr. Sunita. Over to you, Sachin.
Thank you, Saraswati. Thank you all for your time. Thank you for joining. Good morning. Thank you, Akila ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Golait. Thank you very much for your valuable time to inaugurate this online conference. So I just wanted to introduce Dr. Golait. Dr. Golait ma'am is working as a Joint Director, Hospitals Public Health Department, Mumbai. She is qualified as an ophthalmologist, and she has served in the public health service for the last 25 years. She has done excellent work in eye care services by doing 24,000 cataract surgeries during her tenure. She has served on various posts as a deputy director in Sambhaji Nagar. She was working as a joint director TB elimination program and has done extraordinary work in TB elimination and conducting studies in Sambhaji Nagar. She has also done various studies, and she did a paper presentation at the World Lung Conference in Paris. Currently, she's working at the post of the Joint Director, Hospital Mumbai, and she's also overlooking mental health. A warm welcome to you, ma'am, and thank you very much for your time. We would request you to give your inaugural address and inaugurate the conference. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Sachin. Yeah, good morning, dear all. I am highly privileged as a chief guest for this conference on mental health. Recently, I had took over the charge last 2 months back, and I found that mental health is very important, and it is a very challenging area of our health system. Recently, there are a lot of developments and lot of NGOs, and government is also taking very much efforts for improving this program. So it was like an enlightenment for me after Sachin briefed me about the various programs and various activities which are going in this area of mental health. So thank you, the organizers. I am very much happy to address this meeting. Dear friends, as we all know that as physical health is important, mental health is very also important. There is no health without mental health, as our inaugural guest, Dr. Akhila just now said. We today generation we are seeing that lot of people are making good health by going to the gym and doing bodybuilding and all other things, but the area of mental health remains ignored, and this area of mental health is to be addressed from henceforward. That is what I think. Today we are going to talk, the esteemed speakers are going to talk on the various areas and various cores of this mental health. And I'll be listening how to all, because my son is also very keen and he said, Mommy, you should listen each and every lecture today. So I was very happy to hear this from him. So, technically speaking, I'm new to the program, and you people know very much how it should be taken care of and how the people should be make aware of taking care of this their mental health. What I would like to suggest is we should spread awareness among the masses, whether the people are educated, uneducated. We should make aware that it is equally important to take care of their mind and how the mind can be trained to remain strong during the periods of illness and ups and downs of life. As we all know that life is a journey, and most of the time it is not very like a piece of cake we are walking, and it is not very like happy and prosperous for each and every person. So either the rich or the poor, they are having their all concerns and issues and area of disturbances. So every person on this planet should be trained to make their mind strong. That is what I felt after Sachin gave me a brief of this inaugural speech. But I am not talking on that. I am talking on what I am feeling. So let us start this journey together today and spread awareness how most maximum people can be taken care of their mental health like the physical health. So I like to thank you, Nami India, and For Me India for inviting me as a chief guest. And thank you again. We'll start this journey together from today onwards.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for your valuable time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sunita ma'am, for agreeing to be part of this conference today. And we really look forward to working with you and taking forward the initiatives for the Maharashtra state. It's always a pleasure to be working with the government, and we're really happy that you are now there in that position and we can take it forward.
Yes, sure, Saraswati. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
So